Good morning to all of you. Myself Zafar Ahmed. Today I teach you economics in class 12th, chapter number 2, national income and related aggregates. Now we start video lecture number 10, part first. In this video lecture we discuss about relationship among GDPMP, NDPMP, GDPFC and NDPFC. Now discuss relationship among GDPMP, NDPMP, GDPFC, NDPFC. We discuss about some basic conversion. Now, student, some basic conversion, gross and net. Gross and net, conversion between gross and net. Gross convert to net minus depreciation. Net convert to gross plus depreciation. Second conversion, MP market price and FC factor cost. MP convert to FC minus NIT. FC convert to MP plus NIT. Now third conversion between national and domestic. National convert to domestic minus NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Domestic convert to national plus NFIA, net factor income to abroad. Now these basic conversion, the relationship between GDPMP, NDPMP, GDPFC and NDPFC. We start. Now GDPMP, GDPFC, NDPMP, NDPFC. There are four relative aggregates of national income. First conversion between GDPMP and GDPFC. So, first number gross, that is same. There is no change. Second, D for domestic, that is same, no change. P for product, that is same, no change. Then MP and FC, there is change. So FC convert to MP, that is plus NIT, net indirect tax. Now MP convert to FC, minus NIT. So first conversion between GDPMP and GDPFC, that is MP to FC convert minus NIT, FC to convert MP plus NIT. Now second conversion between GDPMP and DPMP. Gross domestic product at market price, net domestic product at market price. First number, that is gross, and first number, that is net. Gross convert to net minus depreciation. Then second number, D for domestic, that is same, no change. P for product, that is same, no change. Then MP and MP, no change. So net convert to gross plus depreciation, and gross convert to net minus depreciation. Now GDPFC convert to NDPFC, gross domestic at factor cost, net domestic at factor cost. So first number, that is gross, gross change to first number net, gross change to net minus depreciation, and net change to gross plus depreciation. D for domestic, that is same, no change. P for product, that is no change. FC factor cost, that is same, no change. Now conversion between NDPMP and NDPFC. So N for net, there is no change because there is same. D for domestic, that is same, no change. P for product, that is no change. MP convert to FC, that is minus indirect tax, minus NIT, minus indirect tax, and FC convert to MP, so plus NIT, plus indirect tax. Now next conversion, net domestic product at market price and gross domestic product at factor cost. So conversion between net domestic product at market price and gross domestic product at factor cost. So first number, that is net change to gross, plus depreciation. And second number, D for domestic, that is same, there is no change. P for product, that is same, no change. MP market price and FC, there is change. MP change to FC, that is minus NIT, net indirect tax. Now gross domestic product at factor cost change to net domestic product at market price. First there is gross and first number N for net. Gross change to net, minus depreciation. D for domestic, that is same, there is no change. P for product, that is same, there is no change. FC convert to MP plus NIT and net indirect tax. Now last conversion between GDPMP and NDPFC. So first number, that is gross change to net minus depreciation. Second number, D for domestic, there is same, no change. P for product, that is same, there is no change. MP change to FC minus NIT, net indirect tax. Now NDPFC change to GDPMP. N for net change to gross plus depreciation. D for domestic, that is same, there is no change. P for product, that is same, there is no change. FC factor cost change to market price, that is plus NIT, net indirect tax. Now formula of NIT, net indirect tax, is equal to IT indirect tax minus subsidy. Thank you.